If CapCut keeps crashing or freezing on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. These are simple changes you can make to help CapCut run smoother, reduce freezing, and stop those annoying crashes while editing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and editing tutorials. First, we're going to clear the CapCut cache. Over time, CapCut stores temporary files that can build up and cause performance issues, especially if the app has been open a lot or if your projects are getting larger. Open CapCut and look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Click that, then choose settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're inside the settings panel, look for the cache size section. Here, you should see a trash can or delete icon next to the cache information. Click that delete icon, then confirm by selecting OK. This clears the temporary files and can often fix random freezing, slow loading, and crashing issues right away. Next, let's adjust CapCut's in-app performance settings. In the same settings area, click on the Performance tab. This section controls how CapCut uses your system's hardware to speed things up. Sometimes, certain hardware acceleration settings can actually cause instability, depending on your PC setup, GPU drivers, or Windows version. So here, toggle off Speed Up Hardware Encoding and also toggle off Speed Up Hardware Decoding. After turning both of those off, click Save. Once you've saved the changes, fully restart CapCut so the new settings can take effect properly. This step is especially useful if CapCut crashes when you import media, preview videos, or export projects. Now let's move to Windows 11 graphics settings. Sometimes CapCut is being assigned to the wrong GPU setting, and that can lead to freezing or poor performance. Press Windows +I on your keyboard to open the Windows 11 settings app. From there, go to System, then Display, and then click Graphics. In the graphics settings list, try to find CapCut. If it's not already listed, click Browse and locate CapCut XE manually. Once CapCut appears in the list, click Options. You'll see different graphics preferences, and here you want to choose High Performance. This forces CapCut to use your main GPU, which can help a lot if your app is stuttering, lagging, or constantly freezing. After selecting High Performance, click Save. The final step is to update your graphics drivers. Outdated or broken GPU drivers are one of the most common reasons editing software starts crashing on Windows 11. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app on your PC and check for a driver update. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart your computer afterward. Keeping your graphics drivers updated helps CapCut communicate properly with your hardware and can solve a lot of unexplained crashes and freezing problems. So to quickly recap, clear the CapCut cache, turn off the hardware encoding and decoding options, set CapCut to high performance in Windows graphics settings, and update your NVIDIA driver. In most cases, these steps are enough to get CapCut running smoothly again on Windows 11. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.